Negiteo kinene muno mwiroreri wa Kameme TV kunyitanira nawe oroho ringi thiini wa ithariri riu ria mutamburuko wa mohoro niguo tukorwo tugikunengereria riboti citiganite ciuria maundu matinda makihanika guku bururi-ini tumukire matemo mamo. Mamwe maria tuguthagathagiire mutamburuko-ini wa mohoro.
It's the only institution that the people of Kenya trust. Please, usilete siasa kwa mambo ya majeshi.
Rigathi Gachagua kuria munene wa mbirarũ etheme na uteti na arũmbũyanie na wĩra wake wa kũgitĩra bũrũri.
I have been reliably informed the victim's family has received the money and is now in the hands of the authorities of the government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to process C for release.
Family ya Stephen Bertrand kana Steve kuga iri na gikeno na ihumuka thutha wa mihango ya kumurekereria njera-ini ria ohetwo bũrũri-ini wa Saudi Arabia kwambĩrĩria.
The problem is not our young people. The problem is us, the political class. It is time for us to have self-introspection as leaders. Where we went wrong.
Atongoria aria megiritanagia na thirikari kuga kuri na bata wa gwetha nja ya marakara maria muingi uri namo kuri atongoria na thirikari makiria mbeu njethi.
To imagine that the titles that were generated by a former government in 2016 can be cancelled, it is a musical chair.
Na kanjo ya thuria mbere kuhe thirikari mukana wa mweri umwe ikorwo ikihea memba thikimu ya mwe kaunti-ini ya Embu ikaro. Macio no matemo mwiroreri wa Kameme TV. Riboti icio turakunengereria na njira igwete kuma riu nginya riria tulirikia mutamburuko uyu. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngonjiri, tũgũkorwo tũrĩ na wagaki wa Muthoni arĩ mũthathaũri na njĩra ya ciĩko. Ũrĩa warĩ mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua nĩ orĩtie mũnene wa mbirarũ Charles Kahariri ethemane na ũteti na arũmbũyanie na mĩhang'o ya kũgitĩra bũrũri. Arĩ igongona-inĩ rĩa kanitha mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru, Gachagua augĩte igeria rĩa Kahariri rĩa gũteithia Ruto rĩtigũkorwo na umithio, agĩkinyĩrĩria atĩ a Kenya matimutiganĩirie niwe kwaga kana mamutiganĩirie niwe kwaga kuhingia ciĩranĩro ciake kuri muingi. Na Mobi wa Chege nĩaratuhingũrĩra mutamburuko na riboti ĩno.
Tugo wa muingi wa kugiriria na kwendekithia President William Ruto ehere wabici-inĩ nginya mĩcemanio-inĩ ĩrĩa ekinyia muingi-inĩ nĩkuo kũracũngĩrĩirie munene wa mbirarũ Charles Kahariri kũrutĩra muingi mũkana atongoria matiganĩte magĩthiĩ na mbere kuoya mĩrũgamo ngũrani. Ũrĩa warĩ munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua rĩu akĩũria Kahariri aikare haraihu na ũteti na ndagatonyie ũteti maũndũ-inĩ ma kĩmbirarũ.
The military is a respected organization in this country because it has conducted itself professionally since independence, and is the only institution that the people of Kenya trust. Please, usilete siasa kwa mambo ya majeshi. Majeshi kazi yao ni kulinda Kenya.
Arĩ igongona-inĩ rĩa kwamũra mũtungatĩri Harrison Munyi wa kanitha-inĩ wa Redeemed mwena wa Naivasha, Gachagua augĩte rũhonge rwa mbirarũ no ruo Akenya mehokete kwa ihinda rĩrĩ na Kahariri kwĩingĩrania ũteti-inĩ gũkũmũtigana ndoro.
We usiingizwe kwa mambo ya siasa ya William Ruto. Hata ukijaribu kusaidia William Ruto pahali mambo yake imefika saa hii general, uweze msaidia. Hao wananchi wamewachana na yeye. Mmewachana na yeye ama bado? There is no way you can help him. So tunauliza general, please let the military remain a professional outfit.
Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yake Kahariri augĩte wĩra wa mbirarũ nĩ kũgitĩra bũrũri wa Kenya gĩgatiba na igeria o rĩothe rĩa kweheria mũtongoria no nginya rĩkuo kũringana na watho. Gachagua rĩu agĩkinyĩrĩria gũtirĩ na mũndũ wĩna methugunda ma kuna watho na makeheria Ruto ndebe-inĩ gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa mwaka wa 2027.
So wakati watu wanaamua kwamba tumechoka na hii serikali na mulichagua wenyewe, alafu mnasema must go. That must go must be done according to the constitution.
Your information. Hiyo Ruto must go si kusema ati atolewe ofisi kinyume ya sheria. No. Watu is a clarion call in preparation for the general election. Ruto atatolewa kikatiba na uchaguzi wa 2027. In a democratic and constitutional process. So, General, I would like to correct you. That call of Ruto must go is just a preparation, ni rehearsal. Watu wanafanya kujikubu.
Na President Ruto agitanywo kwambika icera riake gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya kiumia giukite. Gachagua na thiriti yake ni moritie muingi wa gicigo giki matikanetikie maheni ma Ruto makiagira kiene ciama iria iragerio kuhandwo gicigo-ini giki.
Bado tunangoja barabara ya Mai Mahiu, tunangoja maji ya Naivasha na hospitali.
Haya, mtu mkubwa kama rais akuja alete watu hapa maendeleo. Anataka kuita mama Jane Kihara ampatie milioni 2 atoe Rigathi Gachagua. Aite Ngogoyo ampatie milioni 2 atoe Rigathi Gachagua. Kwa nini hiyo pesa ambayo unaokota, hii ambayo unazungusha, mpaka anasema sasa amefanyia Kenya kazi yote, ile kazi amebakisha ni ya kutupikia chapati.
Sasa watu wanapewa pesa kuja kusikiza uongo. Na tumesema basi kama ni kusikiza uongo ulipishe bei kali. Kwa sababu uongo ni kitu baya. Sasa usipewe 200 kusikiza uongo, utakuwa ni mjinga. Kusikiza uongo ni kutoka 3,000 kwenda mbele. Wafuasi wangu hata nisipowasalimia, si mumeamua? Si mumeamua? Si mnangoja chama yangu mwezi ya 5?
Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.
Na tugitigana na riboti yo tumurike riboti ya mutheboge family ya Stephen Munyaho uria oikaine ta Stevo iri na undu wa gukenerera amu ari mutaratara-ini wa kurekererio kuma njira-ini bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia kuria akoretwo ohetwo kwa ihinda ria miaka 14 thutha wake gukuruhanio na kuraga mundu marutaga wira nake wa kuma bururi-ini wa Yemen giko kiria kiahanekire mwaka wa 2011. Stevo ekurekererio thutha wa honge itiganite cia thirikari na itari cia githirikari kuingirira na mbeca iria family yake yerirwo irihe niguo arekererio iria ni makiria ma ciringi milioni 100 kurihwo ni gikundi kia World Muslim League kiria kanjo ya Aithramu SUPKEM ni ameba.
Kiriro kia miaka 14 kia family ya Dorothy Kweyu kia mwana wao kuohwo bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia gekirie gukinya muthia thutha wa honge itiganite kuingirira ndeto ino na gukagia na utheri. Stephen Bertrand Munyako kana Stevo ohirwo mwaka wa 2012 thutha wake gukuruhanio na giko gia kuraga mundu marutaga wira nake bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia wa kuma bururi wa Yemen kuria macongoiranire no kirigiriria na gikuo na Stevo akiohwo njera-ini nene ya Daban bururi-ini ucio wa Saudi Arabia. Na kumanagia na hindi iyo family yake itoire na kigiriko kuona family ya mundu ucio wakuire wa Yemen yetirie ciringi milioni 129 ici iri ta mbeca cia thakame, mbeca iria family ya Stevo ikoretwo igicangithia kuhitukira kamiti na makiambiriria kampeni ya kurekererio gwake.
Sentenced to 5 years for manslaughter. The victim's family then appealed, resulting in an enhanced sentence of execution in 2014. After intense negotiations between the bereaved family and a delegation from the Kenyan embassy, starting in 2018, the parties finally settled for an irreducible amount of 3.5 million Saudi riyals.
Na kuhitukira honge itiganite cia thirikari na itari cia githirikari na andũ a wendi mwega kuingirira ndeto ino, kamiti ino ni yahotire gucangithia ciringi milioni 19,412 na igitumwo bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia. No itiari njiganu niguo Stevo arekererio no kuhitukira kanjo ya Aithramu SUPKEM gikundi kia World Muslim League kiria SUPKEM ni memba ni mariki kuriha besha ciothe.
World League, who paid the blood money, the balance of the blood money, was among the many organizations and individuals we had contacted to save Stevo. And we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for their generous contribution in settling the remaining blood, amount.
As we speak today, I have been reliably informed that the victim's family has received the money and is now in the hands of the authorities of the government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to process C for release.
Na thutha wa mbeca ici kurihwo, riu family ino ikarite nyoteire kuona mwana wao, kuona riu ni meritwo mutaratara wa Steve kurekererio kuma njera ni wambiriirio, no riu ni gweterera kuona etikia aithiramu megukorwo ihinda-ini ria gukungwira thiguku ya Eid. Nyina wa Steve, Dorothy Kweya, agitariria ruo ruria akoretwo na ruo rwa muruwe, guku muru wa nyina agitariria ati thengia wa gukorwo metereire kuona Steve ni acoka Kenya mari na kibarua gia kumuteithia kwambiriria muturire wake weru.
Could call at 4 a.m. and say leo tumeamka kwa giza. Tumeamka kwa giza meant one of us has been executed, and that was difficult, knowing that one day the giza might be on him and I may never see my child again.
This is someone who's not been in the country for probably close to 20 years now, and he comes back not working. He went there, he was working, so he comes back, he's not working. So there's a lot more than just celebration. Of course, we'll get to celebrate him when he's back.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
Na riu tugithie na mbere ni ati atongoria matiganite aria merigitanagia na thirikari riu ni metikirite ati kuri na bata wa kumatha anja ya marakara maria mari ngoro-ini cia Kenya. Undu uyu ugithie na mbere kwiyumba na kurehe rumena kuri atongoria makiria kuma kuri mbeu njithi. Batarwa Mwangi ari na riboti ino.
Ni hindi ya mathiko ma Elvis Murakana na Menya, uria ni murio wa mubunge wa Dagoretti ya Rugongo Beatrice Elachi, maria mahanikiire kaunti-ini ya Kajiado. Gikoro-ini giki ndereti ya kuongerereka kwa marakara ma Kenya makiria kuri atongoria na thirikari yayumiria na njira nene, atongoria aingi makionania haho yao nene kumana na haria undu uyu kinyite.
We have degenerated to a level where we look at each other with the blinkers of hate, with the blinkers of ethnicity, with the blinkers of all manner of things that don't help the growth of our country.
And we need a moment to heal the nation. Because if we don't heal the nation, we'll be tearing this country.
Mubunge wa Suba Millie Odhiambo aiteka kuhingura ndereti ino ya marakara ma mumo wa Gen Z uria ni ici kuhiwirika guthie mirurungano-ini, agitikaniria na atongoria angi ati hari bata munene kumenya haria mbugi atereire muriha na bururi ukirika kura marakara matarahoreka makiria maria marerekerio atongoria na ateti.
May you prioritize for us as parliament that we talk about what is bedeviling us as a country, why we are losing the soul of this country, why we have so many bitter and many angry people in this country, especially young people. There's a problem.
Kurigana na gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja, ni hida ateti metekire ni manyitete itemi inene kwa batiria mang'ore ma Kenya hatari kwenda gwitetera niguo kuoneke njira ya kumatha uiguano wao na muingi uria uroneka gukorwo uingiritie marakara ngoro-ini na urikeru munene.
What you see as bitterness, what you see as anger is a cry. The problem is not our young people. The problem is us, the political class. We are the problem. It is time for us to have self-introspection as leaders. Where we went wrong, let us correct ourselves.
Atongoria makahoya ona bunge ya kibururi ambiririe kwerera undu na urito gitanite na ndumo amuona njira iria ikoretwo ikigerio itikoretwo igiciara matunda ende ikoretwo ikihiriria mang'ore maya na makiria.
Our young people are not crazy. Our young people are our children. Let us listen to them. We as parents, let us not respond to our children with arrogance. Na tusiwapuuzilie, na tusiwatishe, hawatishiki. In fact, the more you do that, the more you rile them up. The more you rile them up, the more they resist.
Kuna bunge na maseneta makirie gucurio na mihindo ya bokerera kumana na gwikwirwo gukorwo meongereire mishara na makiria ciringi 300,000 nduri ukambiriria mweri ukite. Seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna hiuka kuregana na ndeto eno akiuga uyu no undu ungiungirikia bururi mutondo-ini wa marakara na makiria.
Nataka ukonfirm kwamba hakuna mbunge ameitisha kuongezwa pesa. Hatujaitisha pesa tuongezwe. So kama kuna hiyo maneno, tafadhali wewe kama chairman wetu utakilia hiyo maneno. Kazi ya SRC ni tofauti na kazi ya bunge.
Mwena-ini wake spika wa bunge ya kibũrũri Moses Wetangula ahoete bũrũri wĩtĩkĩre kwaria na mwario ũmwe hatarĩ gwĩkwanĩra na hatarĩ gwĩkĩrĩra ũtiganu wa mĩaho ya kĩũteti, rĩu akĩhũrĩra ndebe ngeithi cia thayũ ciica ikuhĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ ka President William Ruto na Raila Odinga.
Mzee Raila baba na President William Ruto waliona kwamba this country is bigger than each individual. Ndio wamekuja pamoja na wamesema let's move together. Hata wale wako nje shouting from the touchline as the game is going on, come in so that we can build our country.
Hadini ya Kameme TV Retorako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.
Arau thutha wa riboti yo tukwamba guikirio ro hanini mwiroreri wa Kameme TV tuliona riboti ingi ndugathengie mutambo.